Hi, this is how to view and download Instagram Highlight. Open your browser, mine is Chrome, search Instagram Highlight download, open the first result which is the storysaver.net. Once opened, paste the URL of the profile you want to save the highlights. Let's open Instagram to copy the profile URL. On the profile, click the three dots above and select Copy Profile URL. Then go back to the browser and paste the URL. Then hit download. Check the I am not a robot box. The profile will load. Click show highlights. Then the list of highlights you could download will be shown below. Click the save button below the available highlights to download. Let's try this video. Click save as video. Click the three dots below and then download. That's it. Thanks for watching.